Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, where is the center of rotation of a regular pentagon? Consider a pentagon here. A regular pentagon. Here it has 5 angles, 5 exterior angles of 72 degree. And lines of symmetry for regular pentagon are like that. Here there are 5 lines of symmetry for regular pentagon, and the center of rotation 72 degree about the center is here. When we rotate the regular pentagon, (72 degree) about its center, it will look exactly same. Hence, center of rotation of regular pentagon is when we rotate the regular pentagon 72 degree about its center.